In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find cheap flights on Wizz Air. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to use Wizz Air's own tools to uncover the lowest fares without wasting time jumping between calendars and tabs. First, open your browser and head to the Wizz Air website. On the home page, look toward the top navigation bar and find the section labeled Wizz and Services. Give that a click. If you're on a phone or tablet, you may need to tap the menu icon first and then expand the Wizz and Services option. This is where Wizz Air groups a range of helpful tools, and it's the quickest path to the page we need for hunting down deals. Next, in the Wizz and Services menu, click on Fare Finder. This is the secret sauce. Fare Finder is designed to surface the cheapest available fares across dates and routes, so you can see price patterns at a glance instead of manually checking day by day. It's especially handy if you have some flexibility and want to let the price guide your travel date rather than the other way around. Now you're on the Fare Finder page. Start by selecting your origin airport, then choose your destination and pick your travel date. If your plans are flexible, use the calendar or monthly view to spot lower priced days quickly. You can also adjust the number of passengers and choose one way or return, depending on your needs. Keep in mind that ultra-low fares often cover just the basic seat. Extras like bags, seat selection, or early boarding can add to the total. If you're comparing costs, remember to consider travel to and from the airport and your preferred travel times. Very early or very late flights can be cheaper, but may affect your overall plan. Once your choices are set, click Search. Fare Finder will display the available options that match your selections, typically prioritizing the lowest prices first. Scan the results, and if the fares aren't quite where you want them, tweak the date by a day or two to see how the price shifts. Often, midweek departures or returns come in cheaper than weekends. Also, watch for nearby airports served by Wizz Air. These can open up more competitive fares. When you see a price you like, you can proceed to the next booking screens to review details before committing. Take a moment there to double check the final total, including any extras, so there are no surprises. That's it. Click Wizz and Services, open Fare Finder, select your origin, destination, and date, then hit Search. Follow these steps and you'll quickly zero in on the cheapest Wizz Air flights for your trip. Happy deal hunting!